Hi, Zippy.
Hi, Mommy.
What are you making?
Pancake.
Oh, yum. What's that, Zippy?
Plantain. Pancake.
Plantain pancake.
Keep rolling away, you silly. Get back on your table. Very good to get eaten. Smash it. But not smash it, I mean break it. Okay. Oh, that was close.
Zipporah, what is that?
My plantain pancake.
Woohoo! Mm-hmm.
Am I a good cooker, Mom?
Are you a good cooker?
Yes.
Yeah, you're a good chef. You're a good cook. I can see your plantain pancakes. Yummy.
What?
What did you do?
Plantain pancake?
I thought you were going with chef.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Alright. Love you.
Love you too, Daddy.
And this is Princess Zipporah's plantain pancake stuffed with plantain and a piece of plantain on top. Yummy, yummy, yummy in the tummy. What is it, Zip?
I did my plantain pancake.
Made by who? Who made it?
The chef.
Who? What's the chef's name?
Zippy.
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 All right. Let's see how it tastes.
Whoa.
How it tastes it? Yummy?